Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter cover in the Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter cover. The cover helps to keep the water filter out of the way and also allows an easy access to it. The water filter cover could break off during the water filter replacement if handled roughly. Open the refrigerator doors. Press the lever and pull down the cover if it's still intact. Unscrew the water filter, turning it counterclockwise, and then remove it. Using the flat blade screwdriver, push the hinge of the hinge pin on either side and slide the cover out. This is the old water filter cover next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new water filter cover on the pin from one side, slightly bend the cover and hook it onto the second hinge pin. Install the water filter in and turn it clockwise. Latch the cover. Now we can close the doors and plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.